Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 808 at Meliá Kuala Lumpur. I would have done the introduction outside, but there is music playing, so I do not want to get any copyright issues. So that's the back of the door with the floor plan. To the left, as you enter the room, you have your makeup room and do not disturb switches together with light switches. Right here, we have the bathroom door with a mirror. Hello. And going inside the bathroom, right in the middle, we have storage areas, a towel rack to hang the hand towels on, the sink, another mirror, and a mirror off to the left as well. Here we have the toilet, towels right above, and to the left of the bathroom we have the shower area. It is a dual shower setup, so you have the handheld shower to the right and the rain shower right above, and you have the soaps and whatnot right there. Okay, so opposite the bathroom we have the wardrobe. In-room safe, drawers for storage, iron, more storage right above, ironing board, and hangers in the far right. Or you can always open this side to access the hangers. Okay, so that is the view that you get as you enter the room. Here we have the pantry area with the kettle, cups, tea, coffee stuff with water. And down here, hair dryer, the fridge, which is empty. Further inside, here we have a place to put luggage. Here we have the bed. Does look fairly comfortable. On either sides of the bed, bedside tables, light switch, a light. On that side, you have the same setup, so light, bedside table and storage, but you have the in-room telephone, TV remote, more switches right there together with a plug. Here we have the climate control panel. And here we have a flat screen Philips TV. Desk area with a chair, more plugs. I'm not too sure what that's for, but there is a light right there with another mirror. Sofa area with a table in between. And as for the view, I see Berjaya Times Square, which is right opposite. I can see the new Lalaport Mall, the LRT, as well as the main road right in front of the hotel. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 808 at Meliá Kuala Lumpur. Thanks for watching and goodbye.